Last month, my daughter came to dinner with a story she couldn't shake. Her friend's mother, 71, sharp as ever, reached for the bathroom door in the dark, and her legs just weren't where she thought they were. One fall, 8 weeks in recovery. Then she looked at me and asked the question I hear most. "Dad, you're steadier than people half your age. What do you actually do?" So I put down my fork and told her, "Give me 1 week. I'll show you everything." Here's the truth most people never hear. Balance doesn't fade because you get older. It fades because it stops getting practiced. And anything that fades from disuse can be trained back. So here's what we're going to do about it. 5 moves, about 10 minutes, every day for 7 days. You need a chair, a wall, and the room you're sitting in right now. That's the whole program. Do it with us, right now, first round. Your balance is a conversation between 3 systems. Your feet reporting the ground, your eyes reporting the horizon, and deep in your inner ear, a level made of fluid and crystal reporting every tilt of your head. After 60, the volume on that conversation drops, unless you turn it back up. That's what this week does. Louder feet, sharper signals, quicker answers. Move 1. Sit tall at the front half of the chair, feet under your knees. Now stand without hands and sit back down slow. That slow part, that's where the strength gets built. 5 times. With me, push through your heels, chest proud. If you need your hands today, use them. That's your starting point, not your verdict. Move 2. You might remember this one. Fingertips on the chair back. 1 foot off the floor, 10 seconds each side, eyes on one spot ahead. Wobbling is not failing. Wobbling is the training. Every little correction is your nervous system doing push-ups. Move 3. Face the wall. Fingertips on it like it's wet paint. Rise up onto the balls of your feet. Pause at the top. And lower down in 3 slow counts. 10 of those. Slower down than up. Your calves are the brakes that catch every stumble. This is where you rebuild them. Move 4. By the wall, place 1 foot directly in front of the other, heel to toe, like standing on a tightrope. Hold it, 20 seconds, then switch feet. Feel everything working? That narrow base is the point. This is the exact stance clinicians use to test balance. You're not just training, you're passing the test. Last one. Feet hip width, fingertips resting on the chair back, and close your eyes. 5 seconds. That's it. You just took the eyes out of the conversation and made the other 2 systems shout. Day 1. 5 seconds is a win. By Sunday, you'll hold 10, and you'll feel the difference walking to the mailbox. That's the routine. Now here's the week. Same 5 moves every day. Each day add 5 seconds to the holds, or 1 slow rep. Nothing else changes. Screenshot this card, stick it on the fridge. Don't chase perfect. Chase Tuesday, then Wednesday. Balance is built on boring, and boring is completely within your power. A week after that first dinner, my daughter stood up from this table mid-sentence. No hands, no thought, and stopped halfway to the kitchen. She'd noticed. That's what week 1 buys you. Not a performance, a Tuesday where your body just answers. Which of the 5 was hardest for you? Tell me in the comments. I read every one, and it tells me what to build for you next. And if someone you love should be doing this week with you, send it to them tonight. I'll see you here for what comes after week 1.